In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the contemporary invitation design in PowerPoint that can be used for a variety of purposes like business conference or some school inaugurations, some school parties, or some meeting invitation. A lot of things this slide can be used for. As you can see here, I have just added a background image. Any image which you want, you can just change the image here. You can add the company name and the logo, and here it is, I have mentioned like business conference. You can just change it according to your own requirement. And here you can see here I have just put the date and the timings, 15 July 2020, starting at 10 a.m. and here you can add the main title for the business conference. And apart from this one, I have added some more different background images. You can see here this I have made it somewhat blurred, and the other one I have used some buildings, the blue background, and then I have used something again like a corporate office slide, and that's it. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to Insert, Shapes, select Rectangle, draw the rectangle, this much size, shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm going to make it transparent. For that, right mouse click, go to Format Shape, and you can see here under Fill, increase the transparency level. You can see here, let it be 47 or 50%. Let me just zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to cut this much part. For that, go to Insert, Shapes, and I'm going to select a rectangle again, draw a rectangle, and this also you make it somewhat transparent. Shape outline, make it no outline, and then I'm just going to tilt it, and I want to cut this much part. You can see here something, I want to cut this one. So before cutting, I'm just going to duplicate this one, right mouse click and duplicate slide. So go to the first slide, select the rectangle, hold the shift key, select the other rectangle. Under Format, Merge Shape, you can just say Subtract. You can see here, and then go to the next slide, the duplicated slide. Again, select this one, hold the shift key, select the other rectangle. Again, under Format, Merge Shape, just say Intersect. So you can see here, I'm going to select this, Control C copy and Control V paste. You can see the difference. These are two different shapes now. Now go to Format. I'm just going to give some different color for the time being. Sorry, no outline. And Shape Fill, let me just give some different color, and I can remove the transparency, or then I'm going to go to Rotate. I'll just say flip horizontal and then flip vertical and place it exactly like this. You can see here, and then right mouse click, edit points, and I'm going to select this point. You can see the black point, square, and just drag it down a little bit, something like this. Now I'm going to make a white border here. For that, select this, press Ctrl D, and you can just put a little bit here. You can see here, just give a little gap so that a border can be created. And this also, I'm just going to duplicate this one by pressing Ctrl D. So first select this triangle and the other triangle on the top by holding the shift key. You can go to Format, Merge Shape, and you can subtract it. So you can see here you got this border, and this making it zero transparent, and Shape Fill, I'm going to make it white. Then Control C, come to this slide, then I'm just deleting this one and Control V, and you can see here a border has been created. And I'm just selecting this one and select the gradient fill, and I'm going to give some two colors, dark color options. You can see here I'm just going to select one dark red, kind of light red, and then make sure that the dark side should come on the top. you can see here, or you can adjust with this also. You can see like this. Now I'm going to give a shadow effect here. For that, go to insert shapes, select a right triangle, draw a triangle. You can see this one. Shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, I'm going to make it black, and again rotate horizontal and then rotate vertical. Still I need to rotate this again one more time horizontal, you can see here, and just reduce the size, you can see here, send to back, and then increase the transparency level and go to effects, soft edges, increase the soft edges. You can see here you got the shadow effect here. If you want, you can increase further, so something like this. So you got the shadow effect, and you can add one more shadow effect here also to make the more darker this side. For that, let me just go to insert shapes, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle. You can see shape outline, make it no outline, and you can give some dark color, and let me just make it somewhat transparent, and just using this, rotate this, you can see here, and put it, let me just zoom in, you can put it, and then right mouse click, edit point, and align it with the object with this shape. You can see here, and then I'm just selecting this one, going to give a gradient fill, and this side I'm going to give more darker color, you can see here, and this one I'm going to give it full transparent, so you got this more darker, you can see here. So just adjust it, and you can see here it looks more perfect now. Now you can add one background image. For that, go to insert shapes, select a rectangle, draw the rectangle covering this part. You can see here shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm just going to send this to back. You can see here, and go to pictures and select any image. So you can see here by default this was selected. Let me just send this to back, and here this also image I'm going to make it zero transparent, and I'm going to use some light gray color. So you can see the difference now the moment I have added the image. So whichever best image you feel, you can just add the image, and then here you can add the date, and if you have some text which you want to add, you can add it here. So let me just add the text now. I'll just go to add text box. I will just say conference, and I'm going to fill this color with the dark color we can see here, and the font color will be white, and I'm going to choose the font which is the Open Sans, make it bold, increase the size, you can see here, and if you want you can add some more text on the top. And then here I'm just going to add the date, which date. For example, go to insert text box, I will just say for example 15th, and again I'm going to select the same font, make it bold, and I'm going to give some different color, or you can just select this whichever color you like, and increase the size, let it be, make it more bigger, you can see here, and then send this to back. You can see here this is 15th, then you can put the month and the day 15th. I will just say July. Again I'm going to give a different color, maybe this color, make it bold, Open Sans, or whichever font you like. You can see here July, Control D. I will just say reduce the size 2020, and then below you can give the time also. So you can add the main important title here. For that, go to insert text box, and I will just say add your title here, and again the font will be white, Open Sans, make it bold and just bend a little bit, and just you can add your title. If you want, you can add more detailed subtitles here, and here you can add the company name and the logo. Company name, again Open Sans, make it bold. If you want, you can give some shadow effect, center aligned. So you can see here, this is our design is almost ready. And if you want to put some like Facebook icon or social media icons, you can add it here. You can add contact number or some more details.
That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.